Good morning. I'm up. Time to go out and play in Yosemite, day 2. I'm so tired.
Oh my gosh. It's too cold. It's too cold.
Go, Rocco, go! No, no! Watch it, Rock. Watch it. Right.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good one.
The kick in and swim to the water on there and we sing again. So they're probably a little better in the home club. Going over there. So awesome. Look at this. Yeah, look where I am. Oh snap. Source of life. You're standing on an amazing water filtration system. Water filtration system, Fern Springs.
Did you just spit it out?
No, I just drank it off. Wow. What nice water.
Where'd you get it from?
Right there. Mirror Lake.
Guys wanna walk this
Mountain
way?
lion habitat. Whoa, it's huge. Oh, look at that thing. Stinky, I bet, huh? We're at the Curry Village where we are getting pizza and coffee and things like that. And it is starting to rain. Okay, so it started raining hecka bad outside, so now we brought it back into the tent. Playing poker in the tent. With Uno.
Okay. You think it's ready?
No. Okay, it's our last night in Yosemite. It's raining pretty bad out here right now. And that'll be it. That'll be our trip for Yosemite, and it was so much fun. I got a bug on my face.
It'll be long.
Is it extra? Ew. Is it good or is it all like?